Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing to you a spacious 2 BHK apartment, and when I say spacious, I mean it because the usable carpet that you get for this 2 BHK is 1000 plus square feet. Now let's check the flat. We are entering into the flat right now. You can see this is a huge flat with an L-shaped living area. You can see that there is a big dining space and it is open from almost all the sides. You can see this is a standing balcony which has been given towards this side of the living area, and you can see this view, completely open view, which will remain for your lifetime. And it's a west open flat, so you will get a complete clear airflow into your house 24/7. And you can see that is a dining space. There is a cavity given to make your showcase as well for your TV unit, and attached to the dining area you will see a big balcony. So yes, in your living area you are getting two balconies, one a standing balcony, and this is a proper balcony where you can place 4 chairs and a table and enjoy this beautiful view. You can see I have taken this video almost during the evening, and still you have complete light coming into your apartment, and you will be getting a completely modular kitchen. So these modular kitchen will be renovated. I mean, it will be completely polished and given to you as a fresh flat. And the USP of this particular flat is this area. You can see this is a storage space, and what a big storage space. You can see it starts from here and it has a little L-shaped, so you can see this area. You can create a storage here, or in case if you have a full-time maid, you can also create a maid's room, a servant's room in this area, because this is a huge dry space. You will not find such huge dry space and this big kitchen in any of the apartments or any of the complexes in Thane. Mostly they give you a small kitchen and a small dry area. So if you are used to living in a huge apartment with a huge hall, big room sizes, then you need to check this apartment. You will be getting all high class brand fittings in your washroom. This is an investor flat, so it's not completely done up yet. Once it is booked, everything will be polished and given to you as completely new, brand new flat. You can see this is the common bedroom, and again with the common bedroom you get a standing balcony, and standing balcony is not a tiny one. It is a decent sized balcony where you can place your chair and table and enjoy this view. And you're getting all fittings as well, like the fan, light fittings will already be there. You will be getting a geyser in your washroom. You will be getting a video door phone. So all the fittings will be high branded fittings. And you can see this is the passage, and you're getting this storage space as well. So in all the new construction you will never get so many spaces to use. This is again a cavity where you can either make a temple, a showcase, or you can use it to iron your clothes. You can do multiple uses. And this is the master bedroom. So along with the master bedroom you are also getting a balcony. So basically balcony is available in all the rooms. Plus you are also getting ACs in all the rooms, so I forgot to mention that. So that is also an added advantage. You will be getting this glass partition in your master bedroom's washroom, and you can see this is again a very spacious bedroom for you. And this particular project comes with all high class amenities. So it has a semi-covered swimming pool, gymnasium, indoor play area, garden, senior citizen area, children's playing area. So what more you need with such a huge carpet? So guys, you need to definitely check out this flat. In case if you want to see the flat, you can give me a call on my given number. The flat is also on the higher floor. That is the reason you're getting such a beautiful view. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button for this particular video, and also click the bell icon so that you're updated with all the videos that I keep posting on my channel. You can see such a huge hall, guys. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel. Give me a call for any query that you might have regarding this particular flat. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you soon with another video.